Hey there, I'm Vinayak. In today's video, I am going to show you how to get a old TV effect in Unity with the help of post-processing effects. First, we have to go to main camera and switch on post-processing. Then we have to add a global volume to the scene. In the global volume, we have to create a new volume profile. In this volume profile, we will add some overrides to create the effect we need. Here first, we would go to bloom and keep the intensity at 10. Then we would go to color adjustment and make the exposure to be 0.5, contrast to be -10, saturation to be -100, and now we have to add the film grain. The film grain type would be medium 1, intensity would be 0.5. Then we would add a vignette with intensity of 0.3, rounded, smoothness 0.2. Then the distortion, the intensity 0.5. Actually 0.5 is too much, let's keep it 0.25. And we have to also add the Panini projection effect, which would be at the distance of 0.25. Let's keep the bloom to be a bit less intensity of about 5. And that is how we get a old TV effect in Unity with the help of post-processing effects. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in my next video. Good day, devs.